Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this awesome, I'd say amazing 2022 Transit Connect XL long wheelbase wagon. It's got the long wheelbase. This is a wagon version, so you can get these as a cargo van version, but this is a passenger version. This one can seat 6 people, and man, what a cool vehicle. I have thousands of videos on our YouTube page, and one of our most popular one is an earlier video I did on the Transit Connect, and I don't think because I'm an amazing videographer or content creator, I just think there's generally a lack of information about these Transit Connects. In fact, I at one point was in the market for one of these, and I was searching for YouTube looking for reviews and information, and there wasn't much out there. But luckily I can enlighten you a little bit. So unfortunately it looks like the 2023 is going to be the last year of the Transit Connect, at least in North America, is being discontinued. There was talk of making a newer version based on the new Maverick platform, but that one has been scrapped. And I don't think it's because of a lack of I don't think it's because it's a bad product. In fact, I think it's just the opposite. I think this is an amazing product, but I think it's just a lack of, maybe they didn't do a good job marketing, and the needs of us people in North America, us consumers in North America, this is just not what we're buying. I'm sure these things still sell great in Europe and the rest of the world, where they're going to continue being sold probably for another 10 years because with small streets and tight urban and city environments, a little vehicle like this that can be a cargo delivery van or a little passenger vehicle, a taxi, or like a minibus is just is a fantastic product. So if you have an active lifestyle and you want something that's utilitarian, you can turn into a cargo van, you can fit people in it, you can camp in it, you can put your mountain bikes in it, you can do outdoor stuff. This is just an amazing vehicle. It's very fuel efficient. It gets up to 28 miles per gallon on the highway. It's basically based off the Ford Focus platform, another vehicle that was unfortunately discontinued in North America. So the running gear and powertrain are very similar to like a Ford sedans, like the Ford Fusion, Ford Focus platform. So it's very simple and not complex. It's a front-wheel drive platform, but it's just an amazing use of space. It's kind of like a minivan. Minivans probably are not the most exotic decision as far as a vehicle goes, but this is a great alternative for a minivan because it has a nice spacious interior, and it's versatile. You can turn it into a cargo van. If you have a growing family, you have plenty of space for your family and cargo. It's just awesome. A lot of headroom. You even have a shelf up here. I mean, look at me, I'm 6'2". I just have an enormous amount of headroom. And you're not, you don't feel like you're 10 feet off the ground like in a crossover SUV. You still kind of feel like you're kind of lower to the ground like a car. The handling and driving experience is very car-like. So it's a great vehicle to drive around in. The visibility is great. I can't just say enough good things about it. And yes, at one point I was in the market for one of these. But one of the reasons why I was buying it is because I have a band. I need to haul PA equipment, drums, a bass cab that's almost the size of a refrigerator. So this was just a little bit too small. So I bought the bigger version of it. I bought the full-size Transit 350 passenger van. But when I was at the Ford dealership, I drove this one. I was looking at one of these, and obviously the Transit won out. It just was a little bit too small for me. But if you don't have to haul band equipment like me, this will do the trick for you. So 160 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine, pretty similar engine to what you find like in the Ford Fusion. I think they also put in the Focus. Very reliable engine, very fuel efficient. I like the styling. It's kind of that Euro styling. It kind of has a similar front end as like the Ford Focus. This one is fairly stark. It's an XL. We have some tinted windows, which isn't a bad thing. Kind of keeps things out of prying eyes. And then I like these sliding doors, just kind of like a minivan, allows really easy access. And the seats are very smartly designed. You can see easy to fold down and really easy access to the third row. And this is a real test. I'm 6'2". I'm not the smallest person in the world. Where like if I was in the third row seat of like a SUV or even a Suburban, I'd kind of be limited as far as headroom and legroom goes. But look at this. This is fantastic. This is actually 6 usable seats for full-size adults. A lot of times these third row seats are mostly regulated to little kids, but not the case with the Transit Connect. And then you can see the seats fold down fairly easy, so it's not that hard to turn it into a cargo van at all. And there's also a rear climate control. You have a nice cargo shelf over there. Just a really great use of space. And it's so cool. There's no other vehicle on the road that you can buy in North America that really is anything like this. They had their Ram ProMaster, but that's basically just a cargo version of the Nissan NV. They made a taxi cab of the Nissan NV, but there's no passenger consumer versions of a vehicle like this other than the Transit Connect in contemporary times that you can buy that can do the stuff that this Transit Connect does. Okay, then let's see on these third seats. You pull this up like that. And you pull these. Then you go like that. And then, as you can see, it quickly turns into a cargo van. And look at all this space. Look at all this storage. You have dual sliding doors, really easy access to both sides. Awesome vehicle, can't say enough about it. These are hard to find. Everyone I come across, I see at auction, I try to get my hands on. Luckily I got this one, but yeah, they're becoming fewer and far between. They didn't sell a whole lot of brand new ones, unfortunately. And since they are discontinuing it, obviously it's going to be hard to get any brand new ones, so you're going to have to rely on the used market to find them. But luckily, if this one's still available, we can ship anywhere in around North America. We ship cars all the time. If you do live in Washington, Oregon, and Idaho, we have complimentary delivery. Contact us for more information. But there you go. One amazing, small little kind of utilitarian minivan. I don't know what you want to call it. Little wagon. Whatever it is, it's cool, it's awesome, and it could be the next greatest thing for you and your family since sliced bread. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.